There she is, l'Arc de Triomphe from the Champs-Élysées. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my gosh, l'Arc de Triomphe, my baby. Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing really well today. Today, as you can see, we are in a new environment with a towel on my hair. We are in Paris, in my hometown, at my mom's place, and today I was getting ready actually because I'm about to go out and about and run some errands, and I thought why not getting ready together. So I'm gonna show you the products I brought with me along for my 30 days away from home. But definitely this is going to be not about the makeup today, because I'm about to take you along with me to the Champs-Élysées, to Louis Vuitton, because I need to go to Louis Vuitton to get my initial stamped on my SLG. And if you don't know about what I'm talking about, I will leave you a link right there where I share with you what I got for my birthday. So if you want to see how I'm gonna get ready and what products I brought with me along for my holidays, you know what to do, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with my skincare because I haven't done my skincare yet. I just come out from the shower. Those skincare products are not my usual and regular skincare product I'm using when I am at home. Those are really specific for when I'm traveling. This is my traveling skincare routine that I'm about to show you. So without further ado, let's just get started. First thing first, I already washed my face with this gel cleanser from the brand Indili. This is a rose hip cleanser which is gonna soothe and nourish my skin, and it's a lovely cleanser for in the morning but also in the night time, and perfect for holiday and especially for summertime. Then I'm gonna use that face mist just to refresh my skin a little bit, and this one is from Pearly Scents and it's the chamomile plus white tea, and it's an hydrating face mist. For my toner, I'm going to be using this toner from Klairs, and it's the Supple Preparation Facial Toner, and it's gonna balance my pH level, it's gonna deeply moisturize my skin, and it's also gonna cleanse and soothe my skin. Then for my under eye, I'm going to be using an eye serum from Glow Lab, and it's a firming and replenishing serum to smooth the delicate eye area. And for my serum, I'm going to be using the detoxifying serum from the brand Essano Clear Complexion. This serum is going to clear pores, control sebum, and balance skin naturally because it has probiotics, and also it's great for oily and combination skin. I'm using another serum. This one is 100% vitamin C, and it's from The Body Shop. It's a vitamin C plus time release capsule, and it's a 28-day program. For my day cream, I'm using the one from Drunk Elephant, and it's the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. It is a great moisturizer for combination and oily skin. It's more like a gel formula. And the last step, but not the least, is to apply SPF. And the one I'm using is my favorite one ever, and it's from La Roche-Posay, and it's the Antellius 50 Plus Invisible Ultra Resistant. And for my lips, I'm using the Lanolips 101 Ointment, and it's the Multi-Balm Coconuteur. Coconut, I love it so much. And there you go, we are done with my travel skincare routine. So this is what I'm doing every day in the morning. Now it's time for my makeup, so let's just dive into it. So this is where my makeup is at, in this case, a very movable case, which is great when you want to put everything in the suitcase. It doesn't take much space, which is amazing because you can lie down and it just doesn't take space at all. I'm gonna do my hair after the makeup. All my brushes are in this makeup bag, which is great. So I put all my brushes I need here for my face and my eyes, and they are all fitting in that makeup bag, and I'm so happy about that because it really doesn't take much space and you can carry so many brushes. So I'm very happy about that. So now I'm gonna fast forward the makeup. I'm not gonna get into the details of the product I'm using because those products I've been using them a lot on my channel, so you know them already. So now let's just get started, shall we? And there you go guys, that's it. That's the skincare and the makeup routine for my everyday beauty routine. So now it's time for me to take you along with me to Louis Vuitton. So if you wanna see the rest of that vlog, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Let's go! L'Arc de Triomphe from the Champs-Élysées. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my gosh, l'Arc de Triomphe, my baby. So, as you can see, this is l'Arc de Triomphe behind me. I don't know if you can see it from here. Yeah, you can see it from here. But you can't see my face actually. It's either way. It's either the Arc de Triomphe or my face. What do you prefer, guys? Let me know in the comment below. I changed a little bit my haircut, as you can see. I was going to let them down, but actually because it's so hot in here today that I wanted to have them a little bit, you know, up. And that's why I add a couple of hair clips just to clip them together. And this is the one I was talking about in my previous video. I don't know if you saw, I don't know, maybe you haven't seen them yet. I don't know which one I'm gonna upload first, but there's one video where I do my primer haul. I will leave a link right there if you want to check it out. And I was talking about those hair clips. They're so cute and nice, as you can see, and they're perfectly tidy up my hair, and I love that. And yeah, and this is Les Champs-Élysées, the most beautiful venue in the world. And yeah, I'm gonna take you now to Louis Vuitton. Hopefully they're gonna let me film when they're gonna stamp my initials. I hope so, finger crossed. I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me. If they are not gonna let me, I'm so sorry about that, and it's going to be a dumber, but we'll see. Let's all shall see. And now I'm gonna just cross the road, so I'm gonna be quick before I get hit. We don't want that, especially in that vlog. Yes, of course. So anyway, now I'm gonna walk down the streets until I get to the Louis Vuitton store, and as soon as I get to the Louis Vuitton store, I'm gonna put my camera on again and I'm gonna film if they let me film. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just let you enjoy the view because I'm gonna film a little bit what's around me. Alright, enjoy. cinema, UGC Cinema, where I used to go all the time when I was younger. This is my headquarters with my friends, the UGC Georges V Cinema. And I used to be in that cinema all the freaking time with my friends when we were teenagers. Yeah, it reminds me so much of so many memories. This is something very Parisian here. We call it Le Kiosque, and this is where you can get all your magazines, your newspapers, your cards, carte postale, any accessories or souvenirs from Paris as well. Can you see it? Yay! Look at here! Louis Vuitton. Then you've got Le Fouquet's here, which is one of the most elite place in Paris. So many celebrities, politicals and famous people comes here to have dinner, lunch, drink, you know, all come here at the Fouquet's. C'est trop beau. Au niveau de la table. Au niveau de la table, merci beaucoup. Local Beauty. Okay guys, so I'm allowed to film the stamp situation, but I'm not allowed to film the whole, like inside the shop. It's because of the rights, so I can't really film anything I want, but I can film at least my outfit of the day. But I can also film when they're gonna stamp my initials. That's really great, but I can't film really too much inside the Louis Vuitton shop. So alright, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the artist doing the stamping on my 6 key holder, and I chose to do the letter B in gold. So this is what it's gonna do. B. There you go.
Ouais, on va passer ici.
Okay, so we're gonna go right there. We're gonna move a little bit around. And if you didn't know, this artist here worked for La Maison Louis Vuitton for 22 years, which is insane. And he's leaving Louis Vuitton in 2 months. 2 mois, c'est ça que vous avez dit? Dans 2 mois, vous partez?
Yes.
In 2 months. So you can say bye-bye to him because he's going for a new adventure in his life. Very exciting.
Bien sûr. Ok. Là, je vais mettre ma main devant.
Okay. There you go. Here's the stamp. Wow.
Donc la lettre B, hein?
Oh yes. Lettre B for Baya.
On va attendre que ça chauffe.
Okay, so we're gonna wait a little bit for the letter B to warm up.
Oh, okay. I go back to school.
On va attendre.
Yeah. And we're gonna wait a little bit for maybe a few seconds or a minute or so. You see, it was simple as that, seriously. It was very quick.
Because I saw in
It's beautiful.
Gold, hein?
And I think it's really different. And all the American are
So how many times do you do the stamping action? Combien de fois vous faites le mouvement de stamp?
Alors, on le fait, ça dépend. Après, c'est à l'œil aussi, on peut le faire 6, 7 fois. Voilà, mais 3 fois suffisent normalement.
D'accord. So 3 only times is enough, but you can do it even more if it's necessary. So it depends on the eye.
C'est quand vraiment on voit que la lettre est bien pleine.
So the letter needs to be quite thick, and then it's fine.
Yes.
All done. Thank you. Merci. Beautiful. Oh, awesome. Génial. Merci beaucoup.
Voilà.
Awesome. And now we are doing it on the Victorine wallet. And I've chosen myself the same thing, only 1 letter in gold and with still my initial, so with the letter B as well. It's the same procedure anyway. Wow, this is stunning. C'est trop joli.
Voilà, donc je l'ai bien.
Magnifique.
Pour pas que ça bouge. Ça, c'est très joli.
Ah, c'est trop beau.
Oh,
Beautiful. Sorry. All done, guys. You see? Such a nice job. And there you go, the B for Baya. Yay! Thank you so much. Merci.
Thank you, madame.
Merci
Thank you.
beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Voilà, très joli.
Très joli, as you said.
Yes.
Very cute and pretty. Yes, we have it here on camera. Thank you so much. Okay guys, we did it! We filmed the stamping situation with my SLG, so I'm so happy we were able to film it. And now I just came out from the Louis Vuitton store, and I actually had a little tour visit from one of the SA, and I wanted to film it, but she said it wasn't possible to do it, so that's why I didn't film it. But it was very interesting because she was talking to me about all the story behind the Louis Vuitton pieces that they were on the shelves, but unfortunately I couldn't film it, but that's alright because I did film a little bit. I did have a little sneak peek inside the Louis Vuitton store, so I can share it with you guys. I hope we enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed that mini vlog. I think I'm gonna keep filming while I'm still on the l'Avenue des Champs-Élysées because I may pop in the Sephora, so I may film over there as well. So if you want to see that sneak peek inside the Sephora store, just keep on watching because I'm gonna cross the road and I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna see what they've got and maybe do a little bit of shopping. I don't know yet. Alright, so if you want to see that sneak peek inside the Sephora store, keep on watching. There she is, Sephora, the mothership of all beauty lovers and makeup junkie and beauty obsessed. There we are. So let's get in and see what they've got. that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek inside the Louis Vuitton store and also the sneak peek inside the Sephora. And if you enjoyed that video, if you enjoyed that vlog, and if you want to see more vlogs from me, you know what to do. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video and you like this vlog, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, to share with your friends if you think they're gonna like it as well. And if you wanna see what I got inside the Sephora, because I got few other things as well, I will be doing a beauty haul very soon on my channel, so keep an eye on that and make sure to come back to my channel to not miss that video, of course. And thank you so much for watching that vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you like, you know, getting to know my city a little bit better. And thank you again so much for watching. It was such a pleasure to vlog that time in Paris for you guys, and I hope I will see you very soon for another video. Until then, stay beautiful, my ladies. Au revoir.